When la Staffa start to produce and bottle wine?
We start in 2010. At the time I was 20. My father at the time makes wine like his hobby. So when I finished the high school, I started the university, and also at the same time I started also to make some wine because I really like the wine business.
Where is located the winery?
We are in Staffolo. Staffolo is a little town, very beautiful, in the center of Le Marche, in the area of Ancona, in the area of Castelli de Jesi. Staffolo is a very little town, it's a village, only 2,000 people lives in Staffolo. But the beautiful thing is that in that terroir now, there are like 20 companies, almost 20 companies that are making Verdicchio. So it's a little terroir, but very full, very rich in different wineries. And this is important because it can show to the wine lovers how is important the terroir of Staffolo, because a lot of people are doing now Verdicchio in Staffolo.
How do you work in the vineyard?
Well, we work using the technique of organic agriculture because I really like to work in that way. Also because I told you we work a lot in the vine. So for the first important thing is for ourselves, not to work in a positive environment. And also it's important for the nature and also for the quality of the wine.
This wine is appreciated also abroad or only in Italy?
Also around the world, because we sell more than an half, 60% for to be honest, outside from Italy. So we work a lot in the US, we work a lot in Hong Kong and in Japan, and we work a lot too in north of Europe. So Sweden, Norway, England too.
Can you explain something about this association?
Yeah, we are 10 different wineries. Yeah, from different part of Italy. We are friends. We are a little company that has the same ideas of winemaking. So organic wine, very terroir wines, and we decided to share this little space at Vinitaly to increase our cooperation. So we can share our contact, we can share our wine importer around the world. It is very positive, very beautiful, because we are working very well during the fair. Also thanks to this choice to join all together in this place.
Do you have a name?
Yeah, our name is Piccoli, Indipendenti and Sinceri. So,
In English?
little, independent and sincere.